Today we will discuss an example 1.13 in which this is atom and it is surrounded by the negative charge. The radius of the atom is r and we have to calculate the electric field at this point. You all know that if we have a dipole, so a dipole consists plus q charge and minus q charge, so net flux phi will be plus q minus q epsilon 0, 0 by this, it is equal to 0, so flux will be 0. Now in our case, and in which the plus Jd charge and minus Jd charge, plus Jd charge here, minus Jd charge is around. This is early model of atom. Nowadays, so we know that electron moves around the nucleus like this, but early model like this, so Jd is here and then negative charge is here. The radius of the atom is r and we have to calculate electric field here. So the atoms, we know the atoms are electrically neutral, and in atom, number of proton equal to number of electron, energy is equal to atomic number. Z represents the atomic number. Z will be 17 for chlorine and Z will be 1 for hydrogen. So total positive charge is equal to total negative charge. Now we have to calculate electric field outside at the sphere and here. So when we are calculating the electric field outside, definitely the flux field will be 0. See, it will be 0, how? Like this. The negative charge density, this is the definition of negative charge density, rho equal to minus Zd upon 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, negative charge q dash, it is equal to minus Zd, it is equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is negative charge. And negative charge is minus Zd, positive charge is plus Zd. Suppose this is one point which is outside the sphere. So this point, it is at r distance, and we have to calculate the electric field at this point. Atom is this much, this is nucleus, this is total atom. So flux passing from this ds area, eds, and then eds, so total flux will be d phi equal to eds integral. When we calculate this integral, phi equal to e into 4 pi r square. From Gauss law, flux phi equal to q by epsilon 0. This is very important now. Now see here, in closed surface or inside the Gaussian surface, what is the net charge? In Gaussian surface, the net charge is what? Plus Zd and minus Zd. So net charge is 0. Therefore, the flux is 0. So from equation 4 and 5, 0 equal to e into 4 pi r square, the field will be 0. So this is our field outside. Due to an atom, it is 0. At the surface of an atom, it is also 0. But what will be the field when we consider the point inside? Inside point I am taking here. Inside point, suppose here this is an atom in which Zd is the nucleus charge and we are calculating the distance, r dash distance is the point P where we are calculating the electric field. This point is inside. So what will be the flux? So first of all, we will construct here one Gaussian surface, and the Gaussian surface will be like this. E will be this side as well as ds will be in this side. So d phi will be E dot ds. Then for total flux, d phi will be integral of E ds. So integral of ds, d phi will become phi E ds. Integral of ds will be 4 pi r dash square, because the radius of the Gaussian surface here is r dash. So flux phi. Now what will be the flux phi from Gauss law? From Gauss law, phi equal to q plus q dash upon epsilon 0. What is q here? Q is plus Zd, and what is q dash? Minus Z. Q dash, that we have to find out, but it will be definitely negative. Q dash will be negative charge, one will be positive charge. So here in this atom, total negative charge is up to here. Total negative charge is up to here. This much distance up to here, negative charge. Here positive charge. Now this is an atom. So what will be the negative charge in Gaussian surface? You know, negative charge density rho equal to what? Negative charge density rho equal to minus Ze upon 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is negative charge density. That means charge on unit volume. Charge on unit volume. So what will be the charge on r dash volume? So charge on volume of sphere having a radius r dash. This is this is the charge on unit volume. So charge on volume of sphere having radius r dash. So its volume is 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. So this is the volume. Now on this volume, how much charge? So 4 by 3 pi r dash cube into rho. This is negative charge. So now we will put the value of negative charge here. Now when we will put the value of negative charge here, negative charge is this. So here we will put negative charge. Then it will become, when we put the value of negative charge here, it will become 4 by 3 pi r dash cube into minus Ze upon 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the negative charge, and this negative charge actually q dash. So this q dash we have to put here, and q will be Ze. So now Gauss law will be, here you can write the equation 1, this is equation 2. So this q and q dash is negative charge. So now what will be the q dash? Q dash flux phi equal to q plus q dash upon epsilon 0. It is Ze and it is plus. Now how much it is? It is this much. So you can cut, even when you will cut, then it will become 4 by 3 pi. This will cut total. So this will become minus Ze upon r dash cube upon r cube. Actually this is the negative charge. So then see here, this is 4 by 3 pi, this is 4 by 3 r dash, and it is minus Z, so it will cut to Ze. This will be the negative charge. So the negative charge is this. Now take Ze common, so 1 minus r dash cube upon r cube. This is flux equation. You can write equation 4. So from equation 1 and 4 now, from equation 1 and 4, 1 is what? Phi equal to E into 4 pi r dash square. So here we will write this phi, Ze 1 minus r dash cube upon r cube. It is equal to E into 4 pi r dash square. So Ze 4 pi, this epsilon 0 will go here, epsilon 0, the 4 pi epsilon 0 r dash square, 1 minus r dash cube by r cube. It is equal to E. So Ze 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r dash square minus r dash by r cube. It is equal to E. It is equal to E. So this is r dash. This will be the electric field. Thank you.